Hey lawn care family, this is Darian, Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care. If you can already hear the mowers, that means we are already in motion. We're doing a pine straw installation, and I'm taking my jacket off because here it is March the 12th, but it's 70 degrees here in Georgia. All right, I want to kind of show you what it is that we're working with, and then you'll be able to see the finished product once we get done. Right now, I have my guys in here. They are doing our weed eating and putting down some pre-emergence. We're gonna spray it with weed kill so that whenever we come out and service this yard, it should be a breeze. All right, what I'm having him doing is cut around there for me. I'm having him clean out up under these areas right here so the pine straw will lay real nice and pretty. And we'll just kind of rake it out a little bit so we can kind of stuff the pine straw up under it. We're about to wrap up this day. We just got to finish this pine straw job. Got these people over here that saw our work, and I want to come and get a card now. But I'm about to walk you around our finished product. Here we go right here. We got the rocks so that you can finally see these rocks standing out. I weed eated in between, opened up the little areas right here so this rock can really have its presence now. All it needs to be is pressure wash. All right, got around here, I curled everything under. We got, while I'm still doing the video, we have Jerome saying, hey, let me go in and just start pulling some pine straw out of the bushes, a little bit that we got in there. All right, so you can see our island right here, and this is in the front of the house. Got that presentation right here. And we want to make sure it stood out, as you can see by the door. And you can look at some of our pictures in the end. That's if my my battery life on the phone stands out. I got 2% left. Everything we've been doing here. Okay. All right, so you can see around the house here. All right, now I'm about to turn it around so it can just flip around and you can just see it without me.